Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So DJI has released a new firmware on 3rd of December, which is the v01.07. In this version, it optimized the sound from external microphone, fixed the lag issue when shooting 4K in 24, 25 and 30 frames per second, and it also added a new shooting mode. Sounds promising, right? So let's find out. As you can see, the delay has been reduced significantly, and now there's only a slight delay, and I'm happy with it. Okay, I'm now using the Osmo Action internal mic. So I'm going to do a comparison with before and after the firmware upgrade. And I'm now in Kowloon. Right in front of me is the Victoria Harbour. So right over there is the Hong Kong Island. I'm now in the Kowloon. So how does it sound? Okay, so now I'm using the Osmo Action internal mic, and after the firmware upgrade. This building is called the 1C, so it has a great sea view from the apartment, and this is another side of the sea. And this area is a little bit away from the city center, like 10 minutes walk from the MTR station, so it has a pretty good space for children to play here or take a rest. And you can also do jogging along the harbor. Okay, so now I am using the Osmo Action with the mic adapter and also the Roll Wireless Go with the old firmware, of course. So a lot of people are saying that the sound quality is quite bad with this setup. And after the upgrade, many people saying that the sound quality has improved a lot. So I'm now here trying to do a comparison. So now the Osmo Action is with the old firmware. So later on I will do an upgrade, and then I will do a sound test again to see if the sound quality has improved a lot. Okay, so the firmware upgrade has completed successfully. So now the firmware version is 01.07. So I can't tell the difference now because I have to go home and check it with my speaker. And maybe I talk a little bit about this district. I'm now near the Olympic station, so where the middle class people live in this district. So you can see this high-rise building, high-rise apartment. They have a great view of the Victoria Harbour right in front of me. So they can see the Hong Kong Island from their apartment. Very good, very cool. Okay, and lastly, there's a new shooting mode added in this new firmware version, which is the loop recording. So let's get inside. So in this mode, there are a few resolutions for you to choose from. 4K, 2.7K, and 1080p. So for each resolution you can choose the loop duration like infinity, 5 minutes, 20 minutes, or even 1 hour. So actually I don't have any use case for this new shooting mode, but I think it's a nice to have features. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates on Osmo Action. I wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you in the next video. Bye!